Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I'm out here outside of Bisbee, Arizona, riding with Rat on a Rope. That's his YouTube channel. His name is Al. He's riding a older KLR 650. He's just showing me some different trails. We're up on the Mule Mountains now. It's actually pretty cool up here. It's nice up on this mountain. Feels like riding in air conditioning. So we are at 6,700 feet and climbing. Check out that view. See the Huachuca Mountains way over there, or this is the Mule Mountains right here. And the further mountains back there, that's the Huachuca Mountains. Awesome view from up here. I mean, that's a nice view across there. Beautiful. Pretty cool rocks. Into the brush. Pretty sweet.
Cool little trail, huh?
Yes, it is. I like that.
It's a fun little run. It has a little bit of everything. Yeah.
That is too cool. See the Huachuca Mountains over there?
Yep.
Hey, you see Sierra Vista.
Yeah, check this out. Right over there is the old homestead.
Quite a place for a homestead. I'm guessing there wasn't no road in there. A corral, a goat pen, yeah.
Dry stack walls.
Yeah. All the way around, yeah.
A lot of rock.
Been a few days since that was livable, huh?
this big and just about 15 minutes.
Perfect camp spot.
Yeah, it's really, it's a cool spot.
Yeah. That looks like that was a doorway and they framed it up. I don't know, it could have been a window,
That
but
was a window. That one was
the way it's different rocks here than this, see?
yeah. No, it used to be a window and fell down. And people have been stacking it up over the years, trying to build it back up a little bit. Keep it standing a little bit, you know.
Too cool.
Yeah, it was very-
Okay, that was pretty cool. Get to see the old rock cabin, I guess you call it. This is a pretty awesome trail out in here, as long as you don't fall over like I just did. Fell over like a dummy. He's probably wondering, where'd he go? I shouldn't have hit at an angle. Here I am saying how I like this trail, which I do. That was just a dumb mistake here. Hey guys, just want to let you know, if you want to save some money and you want a super quality product, this is the Nelson Rigg gear line of hurricane luggage. Hurricane means it's the outdoor, off-road, 100% waterproof luggage from Nelson Rigg. It is super good quality. Lifetime order, you just can't beat it. And if you want to save 25% right now, go to nelsonrig.com, put in the code Woodzman, WOODZMAN, and you save 25% off your order. Any orders over $50, you get free shipping. Right on. Super cool. Look at that view. Huachuca Mountains. Mule Mountains right here, which is Mule Mountains we're on. But Huachuca Mountains you can see way over there. Awesome. So guys, I'm gonna get off here. We're done riding for today, so thank you all. God bless you all. Check out my links below to Nelson Rigg. Save 25%. Use my code Woodzman. Click that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon. You'll be notified when I put out a new video. And we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on.